I look absolutely crazy. Look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you one of my top beauty secrets that I keep, and that is doing my own eyebrows. I have had my eyebrows micropigmented in the past, like permanently tattooed on. They do fade over time, and instead of paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars, you know, I just do it myself at home with two simple tools. Just a little brush like this. I'm sure you already have one of these at home, and some permanent hair dye. So I'm going to show you guys how to do your own eyebrows at home instead of tracing them in with an eyebrow pencil, which takes so much time. So today we're going to get perfect eyebrows with just these two simple tools. So let's go. So this one here in particular is Schwarzkopf. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Simply Color, Permanent Color. This is in the shade Darkest Brown 3.0 because I like my eyebrows to be really, really dark. I have like balayage hair, but I like my eyebrows staying dark for a long. With any kind of hair dye, they do fade over time, especially when you're in the sun. So it comes with your developer, a conditioner, and a color cream. Okay, so we're gonna be focusing on these two today, the color cream and the developer. I also want to point out that this was about $10 compared to getting your eyebrows micropigmented every 4 months, which is about, $400. So you're saving tons of money by just doing it at home by yourself. So I'm just taking the color cream and the developer lotion. Okay, take that developer, take your color cream. Going to shake that up. I put a piece of toilet paper on top just so it doesn't make a mess. But I'm just gonna shake that for about 30 seconds. I'm just using the top of the box here and just putting the cream here, dabbing that in there. So I'm just getting it on my eyebrows. Don't get it messy, just want to cover your eyebrows. So really, really saturate it with that dye. Okay, just making sure I fully saturated my brows there. So I'm just taking a Q-tip and just going to go around any part that kind of is looking a little messy that I got onto my skin by accident, and just cleaning that up with a Q-tip. I like to rinse out my brush after I'm done using it so I can continue to use this as a makeup brush. So I wash that out with hot water. All right, so it is fully saturated onto my brows, and I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes for it to fully develop and give it that nice dark brown color, and I will see you guys in about 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
It's been 30 minutes. I look absolutely crazy. We are ready to reveal how it looks underneath. So I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just rub it off. Okay, look how much better that looks. And now when I fill in my brows when I'm getting ready, it's gonna take me like half the time. So that is why I highly recommend doing your own brows at home. You guys saw how easy that was, and yeah, love it. Just gotta clean up a little bit more here. And that, my friend, is how you dye your own eyebrows. Ta-da! I think it looks great. I hope you guys found this video helpful and that it will save you tons of money by doing it at home yourself. I love doing things at home by myself and saving myself tons of money, whether it's, if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, I love to do things by myself at home, whether it's doing my own shellac nails or my own press-on nails, doing hair treatments, just whatever. I love to just do little treatments at home rather than getting them done at a salon or a spa, which, really starts to rack up a huge bill over time. This is just one of my beauty secrets that I love, and I'm so happy to share it with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.